How to post multiple photos on Instagram story with one audio. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how we can post multiple photos on Instagram story with one audio. So if you're also wondering on how to do that, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to post multiple photos on Instagram with one single audio. So for that, you can go ahead and open up Instagram, and once you are logged in, you'll be seeing this kind of interface on the screen. So what you need to do is simply head over and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you're here, go ahead and tap on this plus icon at the top right here and click story. And once you're on this page, you're going to go ahead and tap on the select option. After that is done, you can go ahead and select up the pictures that you want to add, like about 3 to 4, for example. And after that is done, click on next. You can see multiple photos has been added. In order to add the audio, you can go ahead and tap on this audio tab at the top right corner and then go ahead and select up the audio. After that is done, you can go ahead and tap on next at the bottom right corner and then tap on share, and that is it. So that is how you post multiple photos on Instagram story with one single audio, following up this method for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.